Good morning, students. How are you all? So today we will start our book work. Take the correct answer. Dash is an electronic commerce model used by individual to sell products and services directly to other individuals. So what we use? C2C, customer to customer. Next is dash can be used if you have a popular product and not sure that what is the price to charge. If you know that you have item, if you want to sell your item, I have given you the example of OLX where you sell your items, okay, and you are not sure about the price of charge, price to charge, क्या price लगाओगे. So you can do what one thing you can do, online auction, okay. Next is a customer enters her personal and financial information through a dash connection. So if you are entering your personal and financial information, then that web should be secure. So answer is web secure. Next, a blog is a dash that consists of frequently updated collection of information and entries. So what is that? Website. A blog is a website that consists of a frequently updated collection of information and entries. Next one, dash is an Indian e-commerce company based in Bengaluru, India, that is Flipkart. Write T for true and F for false statements. Number 1, customers can compare the price of items easily in online shopping. This is true? Yes. Next, before purchasing online, there is no need to of doing research about the product. This is false. We should research about the product that we are buying. Third one, a secure website has HTTPS instead of HTTP in web address. This is true. So whenever we buy something, we should see HTTPS on address bar. Okay. Next, the blog that contains video is sometimes called vblog or vblog. Video blog or vblog. This is correct. True. Snapdeal has grown to become one of the largest online marketplace in India. This is correct. Yes, true. Filling the blanks, the e-commerce that takes place using a mobile device is called m-commerce, that I told you already. Next one, online auction is the most popular vehicle for C2C e-commerce model. The shopping cart allows the user to collect purchases. Yes, but whatever we particular website where that will store in shop. The term blogosphere refers to the world, so worldwide collection of blogs, what we call that blogosphere. In the web browser, look for a dash icon for security. What we should see? Log icon. Okay, done. So here you can see all answers and you have to do this book work. Okay. Next question, define the following. Shopping cart. What is shopping cart? Shopping cart, while shopping online using e-commerce, we usually add the items that we want to purchase in a virtual shopping cart that keeps tracks of these items and their quantity. Okay. So जो भी हम shopping कर रहे हैं online, okay, using e-commerce, उसमें क्या करते हैं हम, ऐड आइटम्स दैट वी वांट टू परचेज इन वर्चुअल शॉपिंग कार्ट. येस, वर्चुअल शॉपिंग कार्ट दैट आई टोल्ड यू ऑलरेडी दैट वी कांट टच कार्ट. ओके, दैट कीप्स ट्रैक ऑफ दीज आइटम्स एंड देयर क्वांटिटी, कितनी क्वांटिटी में लिया है हमने. कोड COD. COD स्टैंड फॉर कैश ऑन डिलीवरी. इट मीन्स वी कैन पे द कैश फॉर द गुड्स वी हैव परचेज ओनली आफ्टर द गुड्स आर डिलीवर्ड टू अस. जब हमारे पास product आ जाएगा, then we have to pay the money. Okay, these are the options. Okay, next, differentiate between the following. B2B, it stands for the business to business e-commerce. It is the sale or exchange of products and services that takes place between firms. So business to business, it means it will held in between two business, between two firms. Okay, the business to consumer e-commerce, it consists of sales of product or services from business concerned to the and end users. So business to customer customer को आ रहा है, that is called business to customer. Next question is answer in 1-2 sentences. What do you mean by e-commerce? Electronic commerce, e-commerce also known as e-business, it's a financial business transaction that occurs over an electronic network, so we should have the internet for this. Next is what is e-retailing? E-retailing is the process in which the retailers use the web to sell their products and services. E-retailing is a process in which retailers use the web to sell their products. Next is what do you mean by the mode of payment? अब पेमेंट के ज़रिए को आप क्या समझते हो उससे? Mode of payment means the way by which we will pay the amount online to complete financial business transaction. Example debit card, credit card, etc. That I told you already. Mode of payment कोई भी हो सकता है, नेट बैंकिंग, डेबिट कार्ड, क्रेडिट कार्ड, ई वॉलेट, कुछ भी हो सकता है. डन. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द ब्लॉगिंग? Blogging is an exciting and dynamic medium by which we can publish our ideas, opinions and stories online. If we want to publish our opinions, ideas and stories online, then what we call that? That is blogging. Next, answer briefly. What are the advantages of e-commerce? Buyers have the convenience of shopping at home. We have to sit at home and we can buy anything. Okay, customers can read reviews about the products from other users. जिसने भी पहले प्रोडक्ट को परचेज किया है, we can read their reviews about that product. Next is doorstep delivery of the desired goods and services. आपको कहीं जाने नहीं है, that product will deliver to your home only. For the seller who is selling the thing, so that is free or low cost marketing activities. उसको ज़्यादा काम नहीं करना पड़ेगा, इसके लिए भेजना नहीं पड़ेगा. वो that I told you. Okay, transfer channel that I told you already. Next is what are the security concern one should consider while using e-commerce? On the website look for HTTPs. Okay, जब भी हम क्या करें, सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न क्या होना चाहिए जब हम ई कॉमर्स को यूज़ कर रहे हैं? सबसे पहले क्या करना, ऑन द वेबसाइट फॉर HTTPS इंस्टेड ऑफ HTTP इन द एड्रेस and also look for the security icon that I told you. That is what we have to see, the security icon after that. Okay, that is called VeriSign secured. In the web browser look for a lock icon in the browser window, so you have to see the lock window also there. That means if everything is there in that particular website, that means that website is secure for you. You can enter your personal information there. What is blog? Right uses. A blog is a website that consists of a frequently updated collection of information and entries. Most blogs focus on a particular topic or subject area. A blog is a website जो consists of a frequently updated collection of information and entries. लोग उसमें तरह तरह की इंफॉर्मेशन को डालते हैं, ब्लॉग्स डालते हैं. मोस्ट ब्लॉग्स फोकस ऑन पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक और सब्जेक्ट एरिया. तो सबका डिफरेंट, आपको पहले बताया मैंने, ब्लॉग्स डिफरेंट बिजनेस के अलग होंगे, होम्स के ऊपर अलग ब्लॉग्स होंगे. डन. Business create blogs to communicate with the employees and customers and business vendors. So business जो blogs create करते हैं किसके लिए? To communicate with the employees, customers and vendors. Next is teachers create blogs to collaborate with other teachers and students. Teachers क्यों blogs को बनाते हैं? For other teachers and students. So student, this is all for today. This chapter is finished, and do this book work and try to understand all the concept. Thank you.